everybody. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Mr. Amr, and in our today's lesson, we are going to have this title a long journey. We are going to talk about a long journey and migration from one place to another. But by the end of the lesson, you are going to learn how to give a talk or a speech about something, and you are going to learn new words and learn much more about birds. But before we start our lesson today, let me ask you, Arwa, what's your favorite animal?
Dog.
And what about you, Hala?
Cat.
Cat, excellent. Do you have cat?
No.
Do you have dog?
No.
Do you love dogs?
Yes.
Excellent, and me too love dogs. So let us start our lesson today by some words. I have some pictures, and I need to know if you know these pictures or don't know. The first picture, do you know the first picture? Hala, there is a bird.
Falcon.
Falcon, excellent. Does this bird eat meat or plants?
Meat.
Meat, excellent. What about the next picture?
Bacon.
Pelican, excellent. Does this animal Hala eat fish or what?
Fish.
And
Lamb.
plants, perfect. The next picture are what? Do you know this bird?
Eagle.
Eagle. And what does eagle eat in your opinion? Do you think what does it eat?
Meat.
Meat, excellent. Okay. And the last one. Do you know this bird?
Swift.
Swift. Do you think swift eat plants or meat?
Meat.
Meat, excellent. So we have 4 animals right now, and these animals are birds, which we have shown inside these pictures. Repeat after me. Eagle.
Eagle.
Falcon.
Falcon.
Swift.
Swift.
Pelican.
Pelican.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Falcon.
Falcon.
Swift.
Swift.
Pelican.
Pelican.
And the next word, when you walk for about 10 kilos and walk a lot and you have a heart inside your legs, it's called long distance or short distance?
Long distance.
Long distance, excellent. And the next one, when you are, for example, Hala, you are in Europe and you move to Egypt, we call this a kind of migration, that you leave one place and when and go to other place. Okay? So you may migrate from Europe to Egypt. So migration is what? Can you say what's migration? When you move, say.
When we move one place to other place.
Excellent. And the last one is flock. And flock, when you look at the sky and see a group of birds, and it might be 10 birds, they are flying together, that we call flock. And flock is what? Flock is a group of birds flying together. Okay? Repeat after me. Long distances.
Long distance.
Migrate.
Migrate.
Flock.
Flow.
Long distances.
Long distance.
Migrate.
Migrate.
Flock.
Flow.
And here is a lesson you are going to listen for a lesson about this topic, a long journey. You don't need to read, you don't need to know every word. You just need to listen and ask my questions when I'm going to make stops inside our lesson or in the audio.
Exercise 3. Listen and read. What do migrating birds eat? A long journey. Long journey. Many birds migrate to and from Egypt and across it.
Where do birds migrate from and to our
Egypt.
Egypt? Perfect.
Across it because of where it is in the world. North Africa is hotter than Europe. So in winter,
Let me ask you, Hala, which is hotter, North Africa or Europe?
North Africa.
Excellent.
many birds leave northern European countries and fly to Egypt and other warmer places. This means that lots of interesting birds migrate to Egypt, such as
Where do birds migrate to, Hala? Where do birds migrate to? The place they migrate to.
Egypt.
Egypt. Excellent.
Many water birds migrate to Egypt too. You can often see large flocks of birds, such as pelicans, near water along the Red Sea.
What are the birds that might migrate to Egypt, Hala?
Swift. Eagle. Falcon.
And falcon. Excellent.
Pelicans near water along the Red Sea and Mediterranean coast.
Where can we find pelicans?
In the coast.
Which coasts?
Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea.
Excellent.
As well as on the Nile. These birds often eat fish or plants that live in rivers, lakes, oases,
What do pelicans eat, Arwa?
Fish.
And
Plants.
excellent.
oases, and seas. Lake Karun in Fayoum is a good place to see flamingos.
Arwa, Hala, where can we see flamingos?
In the lake.
Which lake?
Karun.
Excellent.
Good place to see flamingos. Some birds fly very long distances, making the same journey year after year. Even young birds that migrate for the first time seem to know how to get to the place they need to be. How do these birds know where to go? They might use the sun, the stars, or the things they can see on.
How can birds know the places that they are going to go, Arwa?
Star and,
So the stars, excellent, and
sun.
excellent, Arwa. So now there are something that we are going to solve together over this audio. Hala, can you read the first question?
Many birds migrate.
Let her read it. She is
Many
much more
birds
motivated.
migrate to find weather.
Space weather.
Warm. The coast.
Which coasts?
Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea.
Excellent.
As well as on the Nile. These birds often eat fish or plants that live in rivers, lakes, oases,
What do pelicans eat, Arwa?
Fish.
And
Plants.
excellent.
oases, and seas. Lake Karun in Fayoum is a good place to see flamingos.
Arwa, Hala, where can we see flamingos?
In the lake.
Which lake?
Karun.
Excellent.
Good place to see flamingos. Some birds fly very long distances, making the same journey year after year. Even young birds that migrate for the first time seem to know how to get to the place they need to be. How do these birds know where to go? They might use the sun, the stars, or the things they can see on.
How can birds know the places that they are going to go, Arwa?
Star and,
So the stars, excellent, and
sun.
excellent, Arwa. So now there are something that we are going to solve together over this audio. Hala, can you read the first question?
Many birds migrate.
Let her read it. She is
Many
much more
birds
motivated.
migrate to find weather.
Space weather.
Warm.
Warmer weather. My bird migrate to find a warmer weather. Excellent. Read the next question. Hala.
There are
Often.
often a large space of water birds. Flock.
Flock. Excellent. Read the next one, Arwa.
Migrating
Migrating.
birds fly very space
Distances.
along.
Long distances. Perfect, Arwa. So now I'm going to ask each one of you to write a question about the topic that we have here. Write your question. You have 10 seconds to write a question. Have finished? Arwa, can you ask your question to Hala? Stand up, both of you. Stand up. Stand up. Ask your question to Hala.
Why do you think Migrate to find warmer weather and food.
Excellent. And you ask your question.
What's
Okay.
your favorite bird? Eagle.
Eagle. And what? There is
Swift.
other birds.
Safe.
Swift. It's called Swift. Thank you. Sit down. So now the next thing that I'm going to ask you to do is Hala. Can you stand up? And now tell me sentences about and speak about the topics that we have listened to. What do you know about birds?
Some birds migrate long distance.
Distances. Excellent. Go on.
My favorite bird is swift.
Or you mean?
Are swift and falcon.
Perfect. Go on.
Some birds migrate to and from Egypt.
From and to Egypt. Excellent. Go on.
Mm,
Go on. Another sentence. One sentence.
some
My favorite.
My favorite birds are pelican and swift.
Thank you. Sit down. And that's our lesson for today and for you.